Last week, we've talked about composite deck. After sky park's main steel frameworks are done, gaps between frameworks were blocked by installing aluminum decks. This ensured installing slab fast and provided safe work site. This shows installing metal decking above sky park. Just as live photos, after metal decking is placed, concrete is poured to make slabs. Composite deck slabs are completed over the frameworks like these animations. Thus, tons of facilities can be settled over the composite deck. Today, we'll talk about Infinity Pool. Infinity Pool, which is the most iconic element of MBS Sky Park. When you look out of this infinity pool, you feel edges of the landscapes are gone. This illusion makes users to feel they might fall down when they reach the edges. How this magical experience can be done? Let's take a look for each sectional view. When you take a closer look for box below, you can see there are boundary walls are blocking waters and users. Even much more closer looking, it seems like that there were no boundaries at all, but actually there are. How can this pool allow people to feel hallucination of edgeless walls? Infinity Pool has three walls. The first one is pool wall. The second wall comes between final barrier wall, and the gap between second and third one is used for maintenance access. Just as normal pools, Infinity Pool contains water inside of pool. The difference is consistent overflowing water occurs between pool wall and second wall. This overflowed water is recycled after recovery and filtration. Overflowing waters and second wall generates visual trick which turn off the edges. You can see the area for safety check and maintenance at this picture. These 150-meter long humongous infinite pools are covering over 3 sections of Sky Park about Bridge 1, Tower 2, and Bridge 2 sections. Each sections are junctioned with movement joint. Horizontal movement joint accept transverse displacement. Bearing movement joint accept multi-directional swing between each sections. Thanks to this movement joint connection, wind swaying could be accepted. In other words, three buildings' different movement can be also accepted by these systems. Let's take more closer look. Infinite Pool also divided by Sky Park's three sections. This is front sectional view. Underneath the pool are connected by movement joints. Above the pool segments are connected by movable terrace. This is rear view of junction. Headlight connected movable terrace is placed over the disconnected junction points. This is view of installing movable terrace. Underneath of pool, segments which are connected by movement joints are laid over the segments of pool. Movable terrace connects them. After this interlocking, water fills the pool. Simultaneously, inside of the movable terrace also filled with water to prevent floating. This water-infilled movable terrace accepts horizontal swaying. The sunbaths are placed over this movement terrace, and safety glass is installed at the edge to ensure the safety issues. You can see infinity pool are divided into three parts at this picture. Between three pool segments are connected by movement terraces. Water is infilled over terraces height. This is secret that makes seamless infinity pool. Even they are physically disconnected, higher water level conceals it. Therefore, it seems continuously. To make sure, movable terrace structure can accommodate the different movement of each three segments of the infinity pool, along with movement joints. And also it makes seamless continuous infinity pool view. This directional swing problem is solved, till there is more challenging point for infinity pool. That is relevant time-lapse settlement issues. If this settlement issues is ignored, water sliding can be occurred. To handle these settlements, engineered, designed and built custom jet legs. More than 500 underneath pool points, these jacks are installed to adjust future settlements. How this adjustment could be done by jacking system. Assume that these jack legs which support I-beam underneath of pool need some adjustment. First, hydraulic jacks are installed. Then raise or lower I-beams by the hydraulic jacks. And adjust the height of jack legs. Finally, remove the hydraulic jacks. The alignment is done. Due to this process, level of infinity pool can be adjusted anytime, which means being free from settlement issues. Last final challenging points, the space limitation. Crew members of Sky Park shared a very restricted workspace. To deal with this problem, all segments were assembled by Natara's headquarters, the Pool Manufacturing Corporation located in Indianapolis. This is fabrication process of movable terrace. And this is factory fabricated overflowing box axis wall of infinity pools. Pool wall panels, spa segments, stair segments also post-fabricated with stainless steel. These post-fabricated segments shipped directly from Natare headquarters to MBS construction site. Total 40,000 pieces were shipped. These pieces assembled into about 2,000 modular units at construction site. Assembled segments of Infinity Pool are lifted from ground to Sky Park. This is photos about stainless spa. Segments are installed. Welded modular stair sections are placed for install position. All stainless steel pieces were welded seamlessly, not allowing any seams to ensure the pool's water leakage proof under the pool's bottom. Now, 3 pool shells are completely installed. Also, stainless steel foundation is finished with ceramic tiles for additional waterproof reinforcement. Total 254,000 tiles are adhered directly to the stainless steel foundation. Spa also constructed. Finally, we happen to finish these infinity pools. This masterpiece becomes the most iconic element of MBS Hotel. Next time, we'll discuss about public artwork and facade systems of MBS. See you next time.